Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a route on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, make sure to go and download the Strava application if you already have it, if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you already have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll actually have to go and open the application. And if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if it's not your first time, if you haven't already an account, make sure to log in into it. But if it's not your first time, of course, they will actually take you into it directly. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to create one, and they will provide you with three options to do that. You can choose the Facebook option, the Google option, or even the email option. Choose whatever suits you and whatever. Once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you will find yourself at this home page of this Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here normally you'll find like the posts that you already posted, and of course you can comment on it, you can share it if you want, you can add some new posts if you want, or you can edit those posts or even delete them if you want. I have several videos on that on this channel, make sure to check it out. So of course you can, as we said, we would like to delete a route on the Strava application. So of course, if you would like to do that, we can just go to this U at the bottom right corner and make sure to click on it. Normally, you'll find yourself in this progress option, but if you are not, if you are, make sure to click on this profile option. And once you are here, you'll have just to go down a bit until you find this routes option. So click on it. And for me, as you can see here, I have no routes added. But of course, for you, if you have routes and you want to delete them, you'll have your routes here. If you have a lot, you'll have them here. And of course, make sure to just click the X on it, or you maybe will find three dots, click on it and then click delete, and you'll be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.